Hey, it's Paris Health. No, it's not. It's just me, and I am playing on the Minecraft Pocket Edition, and I am actually playing something you won't believe me about until I show you. Skyblock. I downloaded it, but I'm on creative right now, and I'm going to show you how you install maps, and I'm going to be playing a little Let's Play as well as just doing this. So, yeah. So what we need to do is you need to create a title, and you need to close down your Minecraft Pocket Edition as well. So once you close it down, you want to get this app called the what else is meant for you? The Unlimited Toolkit. So just click on there. Right. Once you did this, you want to go to the top here and it says Unlimited Toolkit, and then you want to go down to Maps right here. Right, and you want to click onto Maps on the top, then click Survival. You get all of these things in your thing you can download. No, I don't want to download this. Wrong one. Besides, that one wouldn't work anyway, so yeah. Survival. So I'm going to download Winter Wipeout. Right. Once you click on which one you want to do, is you want to find this thing in the corner saying, "Oh yeah, Winter Wipeout." Here's like Total Wipeout, but it's the winter ones. And you want to go to the bottom where it says download and install. Want to click this, and then this little thing would come up. I'll get back to you when this is finished. Okay, it's just the bit in the background went to 100%. Some of them won't work because I'm still working on something. I'm the creator of the Unlimited Toolkit, so I can get anything I want. I download other things, and if you don't know, go back on your Minecraft, and there it will be. Just click on that, and then you start in this little house. Oh yeah, I'm being Sky the Kids. That door is completely wrong. But you can never undergo physics, and did this cow that must have been here die? Must have. Okay. Go along here. You got these steps. And then here you go. Winter Wipeout. I actually stored a torch for no reason, but yeah. Here goes. Oh. 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 Gosh. Okay, we'll get back to you once we've completed it. Okay, I've completed it. As you can see here, completed it, and I've just got here. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this. That one was it's a pain in the ass. That one, literally, it's a pain in the ass. Yeah, so this map has been made by a guy called Shabalushka. This guy is actually French, right? Oh, I hate when this happens. This guy is actually a French guy, and just French things. French. French things. French things. The French things. French things. French things. Oh, yeah, sorry. So you kind of see this, can't you not? And I'm also now going to prove that I actually am being Sky the Kid's Sky the Minecraft skin. Here we are. I actually do have a server, and everyone thought I was Sky because I had my username as his, and I got on with his skin and everything. Everyone was like kneeling, was like crouching in my face. He was like, they were jumping around me, everything. I was like a king. I was like a king to them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the winter wipeout as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what it's going to be called: how to install winter wipeout, Minecraft Pocket Edition. How to install winter wipeout map and gameplay. So bye guys.